Hello, welcome to SalonEZ. To begin, let's start with some tips. To free up space on your screen, click Hide Left Navigation on the top right. Tired of your background? Easily change the background with a new one by clicking the theme button at the top of the screen. There are numerous options to choose from. Our social media options will give you direct insight into how customers think about your service. Once customers check out, they will be prompted with a survey via text message to leave a review. By clicking on the customer rating button, you can see their ratings and comments. As you can see, if you ever get a low review, such as with Tyler here, you can easily pick up the phone and contact the customer to address any concerns they had with your business. Clients that give your business a 4 to 5-star review will automatically be pushed by SalonEZ's program to Google and Yelp so that their positive reviews can be posted on the internet to attract new customers. This saves you and your customer a lot of time navigating to other platforms to leave positive reviews. Thank you for watching.